Part 1. Preparing for planting. Timing and location. Choose the right time to plant your radishes. Aiming for early spring or fall when temperatures are cooler. Select a sunny spot in your backyard garden that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight per day. Soil preparation. Prepare the soil by removing any debris, weeds, or rocks from the planting area. Work the soil to a depth of about 6 to 8 inches 15 to 20 centimeters. And incorporate compost or aged manure to improve soil fertility and structure. Seed sowing. Radish seeds are best sown directly into the garden soil. Make shallow furrows about 1 to 5 centimeters deep and spaced about 1 to 0.5 centimeters apart. Drop the seeds into the furrows, spacing them about 1 to 0.5 centimeters apart, and cover lightly with soil. Watering. After planting, water the soil gently to ensure good seed-to-soil contact. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Avoid overhead watering to prevent fungal diseases.